Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section. And with all that being said, we are just taking a quick look at Vechain on our daily time frame. As we can see then, looking like the exhaustion of the selling to the downside of a lot of cryptos is starting to become apparent really. You can see most altcoins forming up like this recently with this stark continuous, obviously we've been selling off and grinding sideways for a while. Obviously this accelerated downside for a lot of altcoins has been completely apparent. If you take a look at the top 100 cryptos on CoinMarketCap for example, you will see just how apparent this is for pretty much every single crypto in the top 100, top 200. Very highly correlated, pretty much the same chart across the board. You can see also a lot of cryptos forming this W double bottom pattern. I entered a long position once we retested this low here because I did see that we were getting very oversold. Also some nice bullish divergences in the local area, and you can see just how overextended this move to the downside was starting to get. I think these entries for longs down here are very unlikely to continue to the downside, or much more unlikely to continue to the downside in my opinion. Just a very simple mechanic really. When a market gets really overextended in one direction, the likelihood that it will reverse will continue to become more and more likely in my opinion. And it does seem as though Vechain here was getting very overextended to the downside, just like a lot of altcoins getting absolutely crushed by Bitcoin's sideways price action and selling off way too hard. So as you can see here, obviously we come down with a little bit of a technical W double bottom style pattern, and we have been getting a bounce since then. As you can see, I'm sitting in a little bit of profit right now on this trade. I've obviously got a very loose stop loss down here in case we chop about and go sideways a little bit more like this before reversing, but I do think we'll probably be starting to come up back towards above that 3 cent level pretty soon. Obviously we do need to see ourselves getting back above the 0.23 Fibonacci and this previous area of support as resistance as well. But overall I think the market's in general getting quite extended to the downside in terms of altcoins, and I do think we'll probably start to see some relief for them soon, provided that Bitcoin can sort its life out. But right now Vechain just very much chilling, and we are basically just waiting for that reversal in the market in general still.